guys, welcome to this week's video. So I'm filming this probably on the day I'm gonna upload this, so I don't have many ideas to hand. So I thought, what's one thing I love doing on this channel, and that is a favourites video. And I know I'm quite late to do a July favourites, so this video is basically going to be things I've loved recently over the past few weeks. Hope you guys do enjoy it, and I can tell you right now it is raining really hard in London, and I guess that is classic British summer weather. And excuse if you can hear any squeaking or shaking of toys or anything, but my pet parrot Basil is currently running wild and my mum is trying to distract him with toys and stuff, so that is why. So if you guys want to see what I've loved, then do carry watching. So I'm going to start classically with beauty products, and I want to start with some Revolution products, not the ones, actually one of the ones that I did try in my first impressions. I will leave as a card here if you want to go and see that. That was definitely one of my favourite videos that I've filmed so far this year, and the one I've been obsessed with using recently is actually a highlight palette. Is the I Heart Makeup, or I Heart Revolution, that's what it's called now, the Light and Glow Highlight and Illuminator Duo palette. So it's in a really cute chocolate bar palette with pink and yellow, totally my aesthetic, guys. Like, you know how I love pastels and pinks, and it's this really pretty duo highlighter, and I've been loving the little cream one. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can see like already like a massive dent, and you got a little mirror in there. Let me give you guys a little close up. It is so pretty, it's so shimmery, and you've got a lovely muted pink one there, and this has been my go-to, so it's been giving me a beautiful summer glow. So if I'm wearing very minimal makeup, I will use this, and if I'm doing full makeup, then I will still use this. And I've got it on today. I don't know if you guys, oh, you can see a little bit there. It is just so pretty. I can't remember the price, but it was really cheap, affordable, and just goes to show you do not need to spend a lot on high-end products to get amazing quality. And yeah, I don't want any hate or anything, but I'm not wearing foundation today. I've got only bronzer on and a bit of concealer around my eyes, and that is it, because I want to let my skin breathe. So, and I'm still wearing a highlighter because I think it still looks pretty on bare skin. Yay! The next Revolution products are actually two eyeshadow palettes, but I wanted to give love to both Soph palettes. I've been obsessed with this since it came out in autumn last year. This is just the Soph X original palette, and it's just so pretty. I've just been loving all the oranges and the golds in this, because as you can tell, it's raining, and I've just been so excited for autumn. I've been burning my pumpkin spice candle, and I wanted my eyes to represent that look. And I'm actually wearing those shades today, if you guys can see, but I've gone for like an autumnal look, and that is the shades from this palette. So £10, can't go wrong with this. And the newest one she brought out is the Extra Spice palette, which again I did in my first impression video, and this time you get more of a variety of shades. You got some yellow, some golds, some reds and purples, and you actually have the lanes on there, and this has been equally amazing. Especially this gold shimmer here. This has been amazing for doing halo eyes and cut creases. Like, the shimmer pigmentation is insane, and again, £10. I think Soph is an amazing YouTuber. I absolutely love her. I actually started watching her videos after I bought this, so to see her release this was really exciting. I'm so proud of how much she has achieved so far in the past year, which is crazy since I've started watching it. And these are probably the best palettes that you can get in the drugstore, in Superdrug right now. So definitely invest £20 in two amazing palettes, which you will literally only need. Another product is actually more of a skincare product, and it's the Kafkistan hand cream. This is in Blossom birds. So it's white clover and matcha tea scented, and you get the blossom birds print on there. It's just a really super cute design. I absolutely love it, and it's pink, and the scent is amazing. Because my hands are getting really dry. You can probably see it a little bit red, and the sun has come out. Yes! Anyway, they've been getting quite dry, so I've been using this, and I've kept this on my bedside table, and it's quite a rich consistency, but it doesn't make your hands feel really oily, and it sinks really fast in the skin. It's just kept my hands in a pretty good condition, and I absolutely love it. It comes in a pack of 3 for £6 to get 2 other scents, or you can get a big size for about £10 I think, and if you like this scent. So yeah, I don't know what else to say because I don't think it's all natural, but you know, I love cookies. And on to my bay, where I work, my second home, I've got some Lush favourites. So this is actually a hair treatment, and this is Marilyn. I know it's supposed to be for blonde hair, but it isn't just for blonde hair, because after using this, I do have a bit left actually. Oh, it just smells so good. So it's literally a hair treatment you just put straight on dry hair, leave for 20 minutes, and then shampoo it out, and it's actually made by Red Brighter. Like after I used it, I actually think it has. There's chamomile infusion in there and lemon oil, so that makes the hair shiny but brightens the hair. So it's good if you are blonde as well, because it just helps brighten hair. There is also extra virgin olive oil in there and saffron infusion. I actually don't know what saffron infusion does, but I can tell you extra virgin olive oil strengthens your hair and makes it quite shiny, so it's definitely a good one to go for. And I know you're supposed to use the whole pot, but I was drowning my hair and I've only got about half left, so I will give this another go another week, and I'm so excited because it's a really good product. And it's a new in store, they haven't had the potted version for long, so definitely grab a pot. The other thing is actually perfume. So I usually talk about cleansers and stuff from Lush, but I don't give love to the perfumes. And next week's video, I really want to do a video about all my Lush favourites that aren't bath bombs, and this will be featured as well. But I just wanted to talk about this really quickly. It's called Emily May, and it's a lovely perfume. You got Yang Yang Rose Absolute Lavender Oil in there, and it just smells like a wildflower field, but really warming at the same time. It's such a nice summery scent. I absolutely love it. I've used it quite a few times and it hasn't like gone down much, but it's 30 millilitres. It is suitable for vegans as well, and I think it was like, it's around the £10 mark, and it's just one of my favourites at the moment. I've just been obsessed with this. So yes, definitely check out Lush perfumes if you're into creating memories from scents and stuff, because this is gonna just remind me of this summer. Okay, on to one fashion bit now. I've just been obsessed with the brand Monkey in general and what I bought last time. Again, I'll leave the haul as a card here so you guys can check out what other things I bought from there. And what I've been obsessed with is this t-shirt, especially this t-shirt because it says holiday t-shirt, and it's got like a palm tree thing on it. And I've just been loving this because it's summer and I wear it on my days off. I also wore it to Brighton. I absolutely loved it. I just felt like real, like in a real holiday spirit. So yeah, I think this was like £10, which is, sounds quite steep for a t-shirt, but it's made from organic cotton. I think it's in the Monkey Cares like sort of line, so it's like ethically sourced, I think, or it should be, because I think it said that on the website when I was making my shopping list. But yeah, I just absolutely love this. I actually think I was still wearing it autumn or winter because it's such a soft material. Even after wearing it those times and washing it, it hasn't gone bobbly at all, and it's just really comfy and easy to style. So yes, love that. The next thing is of course something we've all been obsessed with, that I presume we have been obsessed with, and it's of course the second Mamma Mia. Mamma Mia, here we go again, and I have the album right here. actually bought this before I saw the film in the cinema the other week, and I absolutely love it. Still think the first one is a true classic in my opinion, but the second one is just as good. I love Lily James as the young Donna. Amanda is amazing as always. Julie Walters, I want her to be my aunt, and yeah, it's just an amazing film, and the soundtrack is just good because who doesn't like ABBA songs? Who doesn't like ABBA? Who doesn't like the whole Mamma Mia franchise? Like, and my favourite songs so far, well, I love every single song, but the ones I keep listening to are When I Kiss a Teacher, Waterloo, Kisses of Fire, Dante and Dante, Know Me, Know You, Angel Eyes, Mamma Mia, Dancing Queen, Super Trooper, basically everyone. So, and also Why Did It Have to Be Me is a really good song, and it's kind of sad at the same time. But definitely listen to this if you love ABBA. Definitely go and see the film if you haven't. It's such a feel-good film, even though it's quite sad, but also really happy at the same time. Yeah. And my last favourite is, of course, another franchise that has summed up my whole childhood, basically. And of course, I'm talking about Harry Potter, because it's literally my childhood. And I've been reading the whole series again. I've just finished this, Order of the Phoenix, and I have read another book. So I'm going to go back to Harry Potter just to take a break. But it's actually my favourite ever series, ever. I've had these books since primary school, and that is saying something because I'm 21 right now. So I absolutely love Harry Potter. The stories are just amazing. I feel like I discover new things each time I read the book, like little Easter eggs but not. And yeah, I don't know what to say. Hashtag Potterhead forever, Potterhead for life. Probably won't buy every single Harry Potter thing that Primark release, but I will always love it. And I feel like your love for something is just as strong as representing it through merch. But I'm also Hufflepuff, FYI, and when I read up about Hufflepuffs in general, it is literally me to a T, especially with my love for everything homely and plants. So that is everything I've been loving recently. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope you just got ideas for what you want to discover in the next couple months, especially with trying products and stuff. So yeah, so give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to click the notification bell down below to get the updates for my next upload. I can't speak, I'm sorry, but I should try and upload every single Friday. And definitely stick around because I have got some cracking ideas for autumn, because autumn is definitely my favourite season, especially after this 30-degree heat wave in London. I'm so over summer. I just want it to be cold so I can wear cozy jumpers and drink pumpkin spice lattes. Thank you. So I will see you then. Bye!